So this one kind of baffles me as to why on earth don't all campers come with this already installed. I don't know. It's just this. It's just this bar that goes onto the screen door. Gives you a better handle besides, you know, no handle really. So we're going to put that on. It's just a few screws. Bucky's going to hold those screws for me. Here's the 4 big screws that go into the door. This is everything you need. Should be pretty easy. Let's give it a whirl. All done. There. Now isn't that so much better? It's so much better. Why don't they come with those? I don't know. Easy first mod done. Okay. On to the next thing. Okay guys, here's your reminder to remember to grease your hitch. I almost forgot. Actually, I forgot for quite a while. So when I was unhitching today, I saw the little zerks on the back of the weight distribution hitch where the bars go, and I thought, oh crap, I haven't greased those at all, I don't think. So this is your reminder. Grease them up if you got them. There you go, easy peasy. Grease them if you got them. What are they buzzing about?
What is that smell? Did you put the liquefied in the tank?
No, I thought you did.
I thought you did. Crisis averted.
Don't get stung in a stinky situation. Make sure you always have Liquified on hand. Get 15% off when you use our referral link in the description below. Good afternoon. It's 3 o'clock, something like that. Today, we're going to try to install these Max Air 2 vent covers. We had these installed on the Winnebago, took them off before we traded it in, so now I'm going to put them on here. And if you don't know what these are pretty cool. It allows you to keep your vents open when it's raining, or even if you're driving down the road, you can still keep them open, get some ventilation if you want to. So they're kind of neat. I'm going to get those put on today, at least 2 of them, and we'll see how that goes. Okay. I lost a cotter pen. I found it. Okay, so they're not too bad to install. Got this one on, and it's on there. And then the other side hinges, so if you ever need to get in here to clean it or anything like that, you just take these pins out and it'll just flip right over. It was a little tricky to get the brackets lined up with the vent frame, but once you do, it's not that bad. Yeah, pretty easy. Okay, I've got one more to do, and then I'm going to call it a day. So, all right, talk to you soon. Okay guys, got the max air vent covers put on and the screen door handle put on, and we're going to do one more thing this weekend. All three pretty simple. This is probably, well, I hope this is the simplest out of the three. We'll see. Now that I've said that, it's probably not going to be, but I thought this would be something that we would have to do, or that would be a good idea to do, and it's these things right here. These little AC duct vents, see, they don't close. They just stay open. So I thought, you know, there's really hot summer nights when you wanna go to bed and sleep cool. You can't close these to push more air back to the bedroom. So went and found these guys, and hopefully they'll snap right in there. So let's get to work on that, and we'll see how that goes. Hopefully this goes well. There we go. There we go. See, now we can close up the vent when we want to and open it, and it still rotates. I think that's a cheap little easy mod for campers that come with the fixed louvers. So yeah, let's do the other ones. Let's go. Guess who just showed up? Amazon, because I ordered something really cool. You guys want to see it? It's good timing. I don't know if you can see the Amazon man out there. Or lady. I'm not sure. I think I know what's in that. Hopefully it's what I ordered, and it's for the camper for Halloween. So let me go get that and I'll show you guys. Okay, so they're just kitchen towels for Halloween to put on to replace these ones just for Halloween. And I thought Tracey was coming. Maybe not, maybe not. So let's see them. They don't, at first, they're Jack and Sally kitchen towels for Halloween. Ta-da! Yeah, cool, huh? It's Nightmare Before Christmas is my favorite Halloween movie of all time. It's great. Okay. Hold, please. Okay, so the quality's not great. I didn't expect the quality to be great because they were super cheap, but they're still kind of cool. I think they're cool. But let's go see what she says. Let's go see. All right, come on. You coming with me? It was real cheap.
Oh my God.
It was real cheap.
No way.
No, you're not. It's a little breezy. Sorry for it if that's coming through the mic. Okay, go ahead. Look at the new kitchen towels I got for Halloween time.
Cute. I love that.
Anyway, we got the vents installed.
Fantastic.
This one's a little, doesn't move quite as freely as the other ones, but it still works. Yep, they still work. So yeah.
Vacuum in here. Oh.
Nuh-uh. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. What happened? Look. See, my shoes have been off the whole time. The whole time. Okay, she got us. She got us, guys. We've been busted. All right. I think that's going to do it, guys. If you have any questions on anything, please reach out and ask, or let me know if you saw something that doesn't look right or something like that. Please, yeah, just shoot us a comment down below. What do you think? We're going camping next weekend and a couple weekends after that, and then we're going to winterize and put it away for the winter. So we will see you guys next weekend. Thank you so much for watching. All right, see you guys.